See the example problem 9.3. Find the potential energy of a system of 4 particles placed at the vertices of a square of side L. Also obtain the potential at the center of the square. In this problem, 4 masses are placed at corners of a square side of L. So here side is L. So this length is, here it is L, here it is L. So that is square root of L square plus L square, that is root 2L. Here potential energy of two masses is U of R is equal to minus G m1 m2 by R. Here we have 4 mass pairs at a distance L. So that is, here it is one pair, this is second pair, this is third pair, this is fourth pair, and 2 diagonal pairs at a distance root 2L. So here gravitational potential energy. So here potential energy U of R is equal to, how we can write? So here we have 4 mass pair at a distance L. So that is minus 4. So G into here m1 is equal to m, m2 is equal to m by the distance between two masses is L, and 2 diagonal pairs at a distance root 2L. So that is minus 2 into G. Here m1 is equal to m, m2 is equal to m by, so the distance is root 2L. So that is equal minus 4 G m square by L minus 2 G m square by root 2L. So here take gm square by L, gm square by L common. So we can get U of R is equal to minus 4 minus 2 by root 2 into G m square by L. Here gravitational potential V of R is equal to gravitational potential energy per unit mass. So that is minus G m by R. A unit mass placed at the center of the square. So here we have 4 masses. So due to these 4 masses, the gravitational potential at the center is, so that is V of R is equal to minus 4, here G m by, here R is the distance between mass to unit mass. So that is, so here the distance between two diagonal masses is root 2L. So here it is root 2L by 2, that is called L by root 2. So here R is equal to L by root 2. So L by root 2. So therefore V of R is equal to how much? That is minus 4 root 2 G m by L. See the example problem 9.5. The planet Mars has 2 moons, Phobos and Deimos. Here first one is Phobos has a period 7 hours 39 minutes and an orbital radius of 9.4 into 10 cube kilometer. Calculate the mass of Mars. Here second one, assume that Earth and Mars move in circular orbits around the Sun. with the Martian orbit being 1.52 times the orbital radius of the Earth. What is the length of the Martian year in days? Here time period of Phobos is given. So T is equal 7 hours 39 minutes. So convert into seconds. So here 7 hour, 1 hour is equal 60 minutes. So 7 hour is equal how much? So that is 700, 76 42, 420 minutes. So here 420 minutes plus 39 minutes. So here time period is how much? That is 459 minutes. And orbital radius is given. R is equal 9.4 into 10 to the power of 3 kilometer. So convert into meter. So 9.4 into kilo is 10 cube. So 3 plus 3, that is 10 to the power of 6 meter. So here 1 minute is equal 60 seconds. So that is 459 into 60 seconds. Here we have a formula for time period is T square is equal 4 pi square G M E R cube. Here I am replacing mass of the Earth with mass of the Mars. So here I am taking mass of the Mars. So from this mass of the Mars is equal how much? So that is equal 4 pi square G T square R cube. So if we substitute these values in this equation, we can get mass of the Mars. So that is here 4 pi value is 3.14 whole square by here G is 6.67 into 10 to the power of minus 11. Here T is how much? That is 459 into 60 seconds whole square. Here R cube is what? 9.4 into 10 to the power of 6 whole cube. If we simplify this, we can get mass of the Mars. So that is 6.48 into 10 to the power of 23 kg. See the second one. Here orbital radius of the Mars is 1.5 times of orbital radius of the Earth. So that is R ms is 1.52 times of R es. So here rs is the distance between Mars to Sun. Here re is the distance between Earth to Sun. That is orbital distance. So according to Kepler's third law, so we have a formula that is T square is proportional to R cube. From this we can write Tm square by Te square is equal Rms cube by Res cube. From this Tm square is equal Rms by Res whole cube into Te square. Square, take square root on both sides. So we can get Tm is equal Rms by RES whole to power of 3 by 2 TE. So here RMS by RES is equal to how much? That is 1.52 whole to power of 3 by 2. Here time period of earth is here, that is 365 days. So finally we can get time period of Mars is equal to how much? That is 684 days. Here RMS is the distance between Mars to Sun. Here RES is the distance between Earth to Sun. See example problem 9.6. You are given the following data. G is equal to 9.81 meter per second square. RE is 6.37 into 10 to the power of 6 meter. The distance to the moon R is equal 3.84 into 10 to the power of 8 meter, and the time period of the moon's revolution is 27.3 days. Obtain the mass of the earth ME in two different ways. In this problem, G is given 9.81 meter per second square and radius of earth is given, that is 6.37 into 10 to the power of 6 meter, and the distance between moon to earth is given, so that is R is equal 3.84 into 10 to the power of 8 meter. The time period of moon is given, that is equal 27.3 days. So we know universal gravitational constant G is equal 6.67 into 10 to the power of minus 11 Newton per meter square per kg square. So here we have to find mass of the earth in two different ways. So here I am discussing first method. So here we have a formula for acceleration due to gravity. G is equal capital G ME by RE square. So from this, mass of the earth is how we can write? So take this side. So here G into RE square by capital G. Substitute these values in this equation, we can get mass of the earth. That is, mass of the earth is equal, here G is equal 9.81, RE is equal 6.37 into 10 to the power of 6 whole square by, here capital G is equal 6.67 into 10 to the power of minus 11. So here we can get mass of the earth ME is equal 5.97 into 10 to the power of 24 kg. So that is 6 into 10 to the power of 24 kg. The second method is, we have a formula, that is T square is equal 4 pi square by GME R cube. So from this we can write mass of the earth ME is equal 4 pi square by GT square R cube. So here mass of the earth ME is equal 4, pi is equal 3.14 whole square by, here G is 6.67 into 10 to the power of minus 11. Here T is 27.3 3 days. So here 1 day is equal 24 hours, 1 hour is equal 60 minutes, 1 minute is equal 60 seconds. Whole square. Here R is 3.84 into 10 to the power of 8 whole cube. If we simplify this, we can get mass of the earth. So that is equal 6.02 into 10 to the power of 24 kg. See example problem 9.7. Express the constant k of equation 9.38 in days and kilometers. Given k is 10 to the power of minus 13 second square per meter cube. The moon is at a distance of 3.84 into 10 to the power of 5 kilometer from the earth. Obtain its time period of revolution in days. Here equation 9.38 is t square is equal k into re plus h whole cube. So here k is given. So k is equal 10 to the power of minus 13 second square per meter cube. Here the question is k convert into days and kilometers. Here we know 1 day is equal 24 hours. So 1 hour is equal 60 minutes. 1 minute is equal 60 seconds. So from this, here 1 second is equal, how we can write? Take this one to left side. So that is 1 by 24 into 60 into 60 days. So in the same way, 1 kilometer is equal 10 to the power of 3 meter. So from this 1 meter is equal, how we can write? Take this left side. So that is 1 by 10 cube kilometer. So substitute these values in this equation. We can get k value in terms of days and kilometers. So here k is equal 10 to the power of minus 13. Here second square is equal, 1 second square is equal 1 by 24 into 60 into 60. Here days square. So 1 meter is equal 1 by 10 cube kilometer whole to the power of minus 3. So that is 10 to the power of minus 13 by here 24 into 60 into 60 whole square, and this 10 cube whole to the power of minus 3. Here it is day square per kilometer cube. So if we simplify this, we can get k is equal 1.33 into 10 to the power of minus 14 day square per kilometer cube. Here the distance between moon to earth is given. So that is r is equal 3.84 into 10 to the power of 5 kilometer, and k is known value, that is 1.33 into 10 to the power of minus 14 day square per kilometer cube. So here we know t square is equal k r cube. From this we have to find time period of moon. T square is equal, here k is equal 1.33 into 10 to the power of minus 14 Here R is equal 3.84 into 10 to the power of 5 whole cube. If we solve this, we can get T is equal 27.3 days.